Hi, this is Jane's video for Activity 10, and my company is Walt Disney. So I choose 3 indices from Harvard 2012 is revealed preference, scarcity power, and monopoly rate. First is revealed preference. According to Harvard 2012, revealed preference is what consumers purchase under different circumstances, particularly under different income and price circumstances, and it can be related on the Disney's target market, which is focused on the people who excitement about adventure and appreciation of fantasy and has the young feelings. Disney presents the audience with the most innocent things in their heart. There's no age limit. Whether it is a princess movie or a superhero movie, it can attract audiences of different ages. Making movies that people prefer is an important way for Disney to capture people's heart. And scarcity power, Howard 2012 says that if someone or something stand on the side of minority and elimination, then there is a scarce number of quantity, thus they own the scarcity power. Accordingly, bargaining power will shift with the scarcity power at the same time. Who hold the scarcity strings, then they have right to change price to higher, and the bargaining power equals the price cost. And there's a thing I have to mention that is Disney World. Disney World is a bargaining power for Walt Disney Company. Because their films released from the vault are limited, including time and quantity, so people buy it at a high price in order to get these limited edition movies. According to Brooks 2004, Disney World is a way to encourage people to buy re-released movie, which add new behind-the-scenes footages and use better film quality. In this competitive market, people or companies with scarcity power have monopoly rate, which means they can charge customers whatever they please. Harvard 2012 said. In the superhero giant Marvel and DC, these 2 companies, which Disney spent $4 billion to acquire Marvel Studio. The heroes of Marvel are the way of Disney uses them to create profit later. That's also the essential value of Marvel Studio, from Carado 2009. When I'm using these indices to analyze my company, the strengths are my current understanding and the preparation for the Disney World is very clear, and this will be the most important part in the final paper. And 3 indices of my choice are the important factors in the success of Disney. And the challenges are, for me, first it is hard to find examples to prove my thought. Another one is the connection between the 3 indices and the Disney company is clear and accurate. So I have 2 solutions to solve the problem or challenges. First is to finding more related academic articles or journals, and or asking for help from Julie. And this is my references. Thanks for watching.